Yo, what's up, guys? Sekuna here. Today's Thursday, fourth day of the week. But before we get into our analysis, I just want us to look at these Discord messages between me and Equity Edge, as today should be the day I should be getting my payout. For you guys that don't know, you can watch my previous video where I explained this. I went through a risk interview, and they told me that I should wait 14 days after an interview. So today is my 14th day. And these are actually the messages. You can go back because I'm just doing a voiceover. You can go back in the video and just read what's going on there. So today is my last day. Hopefully we get the payout by the end of today as per their messages, or we get it, by tomorrow, which is Friday, or Monday. I don't mind, but Monday is actually the maximum, guys, because how long should I wait for my payout? How long should my account be freezed? So, but anyway, I just want to keep the content raw and real for you guys. As I always say, we all go through the same things. My payout, sometimes they get denied. My payout, sometimes they get approved. Sometimes my payout, they get prolonged like this. But we're still on the same journey. Anyway, shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Let's get on with our Thursday analysis. First of all, I'm not gonna waste any time. Let me just I just want to highlight, the support levels, the resistive and support levels. So I'm just gonna leave this one right here. So yeah, this the support, there's the resistive level. So I'm expecting the market to buy. Actually, my view on this is a buy. So let me just put this right here. And clone this. So yeah, I'm just gonna clone this, put it right here. So guys, the market is actually in the middle as we speak. So I'm contemplating if I enter now, the stop loss will be a bit huge. I would expect it to at least go push to the downside before I enter, but let me check how big the stop loss would be. To be 76 pips. For how much? 76 pips for 150 pips. So 1:2 basically. $100 for $200, $1,000 for $2,000. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I want to see something before I enter. But I would like the market to just come a bit to the downside right there before I look into actually making my execution. So yeah, let me clone this again. Or this level right here as well. This level right here might be also, acting as another support level, right here. So I'm just gonna take my trade right here. But since I'm taking my trade here, I'm thinking my stop loss shouldn't be down at the bottom. Could be it just right the way it is, but I think it's gonna probably take me out if I just put it there. So let me just aim for a 1:2. It's fine. 1:2.3 basically. So $100 for $230. I don't mind. I don't mind it. I really don't mind it. It's better than nothing, especially in this type of trade. In the London session, I actually never, look for much. I just aim for low risk to reward. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Trade update, guys. As you can see, the market is currently going against us. So hopefully it might turn to the upside, but we defined our risk. That's very important. We know on this trade we are risking 1%. So if anything goes wrong, we are good with the risk. We are still profitable for the week. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out.
A few moments later.
Yo, guys, this trade literally just went against us and never even shot to the upside. Immediately when we entered, it shot to the downside. But as I said, we defined our risk. See you in the New York session. Let's see what we can catch. Shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Back again. Now we are in the New York session. Let's see what this session has for us. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Like the August price action has been shit. I don't wanna swear, but it has been crap. You know.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I'm not impressed with the August price action. I'm low key kind of like grateful that the prop firm is delaying my payout because I know maybe I could have taken a few L's. Who knows? But yeah, let me see what this has for us. I was looking for bias actually, but if the market closes below this support level, then I would know it's turning into a resistive level. So let me go to the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, let me just execute my trade and waste no time. On this specific trade, I'm putting on it because it's a very risky trade. So I'm risking like $50. I'm risking $50, 0.5%. This I'm trading a 10K account. So this my trade right here. If it goes against me, I'm risking 0.5%, so that if it goes against me and buys, because it might buy, then I'll enter buy, then that will be up for me. I'll be done for the day. So TP, just buy the downside right there, $50 for like $300. And this session is too volatile, guys. Which one is this one? I just lost 50 dog. We just lost 50 dog. Damn, bruh. Damn. Yeah, let me just execute a buy right here. Risking, I'm not gonna risk 0.5%. Let me take it to like $80. So TP, yeah, just minimize. So like TP, just about like right there. So basically my TP, guys, is like 500, but I will close once the trade is around 400, seeing how it behaves, how the price behaves. But as I said, guys, I'm not really impressed with the price action of this month. I don't know if anyone can say anything different. Have you experienced something different? Maybe it's me. I'm not saying I've been taking losses, every day, but still I'm not impressed with the price action of August. But yeah, we live to see these type of months in the markets, But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this one goes about. Shout out. Yo, guys, you already know what I'm gonna say. The price action of this month, guys, you enter a sell, it takes you out. You enter a buy, it still takes you out. I don't know what it wants us to do. We shouldn't trade, or we should just sit in G and not trade. But anyway, guys, let's show up each and every day. Don't give up, man. Like 1% improvement per day still makes a difference at the end of the week. So let's make sure you learn something, even 1%, or you improve on something 1% per day. I'm telling you, even in your personal life, you go to the gym, you do push-ups. Let's just team 1% improvement per day. I'm telling you, imagine you improve 1% per day from January until December. That's like 365 days. We up, man. But let's keep going. Don't give up. Stay in faith. It's faith. By faith, everyone made it happen, by faith. It's only by faith. But anyway, see you in the next episode. Shout out.